Hi everyone, Becky Sexton with Baird & Warner Real Estate. I hope you are staying well. I've been getting a lot of people asking me, how is the market? So I figured let's walk through some statistics and discuss. We're going to highlight attached homes, which include our condos and townhomes, and detached homes, which is our single family homes on the north side of Chicago, highlighted in this map, and compared March 2020 to March of 2019. Now, the amount of closed homes was rather unaffected in March, and we actually saw an increase of 2.8% in 2020, which is to be expected because those homes went under contract in January and February when the market was very hot. Now, not surprisingly, the amount of homes for sale have decreased by about 11% and 16% for attached and detached homes, respectively. And the amount of homes that went under contract have also decreased, and our luxury market has seen the biggest hit on that, which includes your single-family homes. Now, all of this is really not surprising, and the biggest question really is how are property values or prices being affected? So let's take a look, and this time we're actually going to compare homes in different price points. So for homes under $500,000, represented by the red bars, we actually saw an increase of about 7% compared to last March. For homes between $500,000 and $1 million, represented by both the blue and the orange bars, home prices stayed relatively flat. But for homes over $1 million, which is our luxury market and most of our single-family homes, we saw about 9% decrease. This is not surprising, as usually the luxury market activity follows the strength of our equity markets. So I don't think that these numbers are really a full representation of how COVID has affected real estate since our shelter in place went into effect mid-March. But overall, while we are technically in our spring market, we are seeing activity levels typical or similar to a typical December and January. Something to note is the market is not dead. There are still buyers out there that need to move and still sellers that need to sell. And we are still experiencing multiple offer situations because there's such low inventory and not much more coming on the market. But what are the predictions? It's hard to say exactly what's going to happen and how long this is all going to take, but most financial institutions are calling for a rapid V-type response, which means a sharp economic decline followed by a steep rebound in the second half of the year. No one obviously knows for sure, but what I do know is that this will pass, there is a finish line, and things will get better. If you have any questions about your specific situation, please reach out to me. I am here for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay well.